wa no ta ubego una we siebo esiebo awe na we elede na meboa esiebo a wa ba esi wa ma ni esi oha honde we gbo wa ni kaju egbo ne wa ma mi esi oha honde we gbo ovulo tofule ya o we be go pe na ubego pe na no fiwe emu imonu we bi ni o magide important no wona bi ni o ri de important en yi gba mo yeke ya critical things no make na do well na make them do all these things make it for the prepare you. See daddy abeg talk pidgin make we understand to abeg. I dey talk pidgin, I know they hear me. But I need to have Bini journal. I dey talk pidgin. You guys are, please, everybody power tap and let's go. Listen also, I dey talk English. I have to have my own traditional language journal, which is Benin. Edo atokpe. Lare. Edo atokpe. I will have my own traditional language so that I can carry so many of my people along. Hello? They are not hearing me. So, Mommy Titi, this is the man that no more Konwe. This is a man no more Konwe that you born the 2 children. You married the man by law or by traditional marriage. We all know that a sniper, somebody snaps something and come from somewhere in 2014 to 13, if I'm a mistake. And this person is called Ipadomosa. How did he come? He came in a way of a respect. And this person is Esa woman. We all know the respectful Esa women. We know them, the respectful one that always say, Arasa. Onwa, no. We know so many beautiful Esa ladies who always respect another tribe. By any time they see them, a man that is able to be their father, they will say, Onwa, Arasa. Onwa, no. There are so many ways the essence used to greet their own traditional greet, so that you will know that these people are from Esa land. Am I talking? Or they are not hearing me? Hello, they are not hearing me. But this woman, Epadomosa, came from another angle. He now said, if I use this Esa traditional way, I can never catch this man. Because this man is a Sioha. You people don't know the meaning of a Sioha? A C. If you want to catch a Sioha, you have to use traditional way. A C. Then they call it bush pig. If you want cash out for bush for Benin, old one, where you don't old, where you get big beers, where you say can't get old, where you say get many tea. If you want cash out for bush, you go use traditional way. If you use English way, it will escape you. So this woman comes and say, if you see me use Esa traditional way, take this man or back. Let me go to the real traditional of this man. Hello, they are not hearing me. He now say, let me go to straight. How did he manage to do it? He calculated this man. When he heard that this man is going to do marriage with Mama T, he has to inform so many friends. Larry, let's go to a marriage. He called one of her best friends. Say, Larry, you will follow me go one marriage. That marriage, I want to go see. That one don't know that this girl has a mission. Hello? That her friend does not know that this Epadomosa have a mission. He thought it was just trying to go for a marriage invitation. He does not know he was trying to use traditional way to catch a COR. Somebody say a COR. I'm not sure say Benin people do here like that. If you know say Benin do here, say a COR. Make people know what is the meaning of a COR. Bush pig. Bush pig. Bush pig. So the woman, the other of her friend, she was just very simple, and because of he loved marital home and he loved people marrying, he followed this Epadomosa as an innocent girl to that marriage. And Epadomosa have a mission in that marriage. Mommy Titi was just there. All her whole was just my husband. Let's marry like normal way. They were doing marriage. Epadomosa sit at back observing this man. Epadomosa was when they bring food, Epadomosa was smiling. Hey, thank you. I don't want to eat. Thank you. You know, she always form. You know, he always smiling. If it's on media, go and check. She always smile. Epadomosa. She always smile. She not the verse. But in deep inside in mind, vaccination, Sarah. If you defend vaccination, they don't they buy up for say I they dash people. They are not hearing me. You see, vaccination, if you defend her to buy, ain't not they say they dash people. But if you see her for public, she's the one that always smile. People like that run 50-50. I know people are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. You go hear me. They are not hearing me. So, when the Epadomosa now sit down and look at the man, say, the mission I came for is this man. Do you know that in that marriage, Epadomosa did not even greet this man. He only look at the man, survey everywhere, and see the impact of Mama T. You cannot drive with me. You cannot drive with me. He now step back and tell his friend, let's go. Mission acquired. Mission acquired. Esi ohana oni waye gwogwahia esi oha gawo ewu wagawo ogwogwahia. Now this is the second mission. Epadomosa, you know where this Esioha they already pass. You know, say all those Esioha they get road where they pass. That is why in villages you will see all these bush pig, they get their road. The way all those grass cutter they get their road. So road where you see they pass, you go know say that road now Esioha level. So all those old men when they watch this video go know what the priest they talk, what the OO2 they talk. Because where you see they pass for bush. Now once you tell no say you see the pass there, and this woman know where this man they pass. Epadomosa know where this man they pass, and you know say that route this man will pass there. Epadomosa did not call his friend again. This is one man journey. Now they hear me so. This is one man journey. Now Epadomosa now dress sexy, a young girl that is coming very new in Europe. Now, Esina, Ozozohia, Walige, Aidehia, Ozozohia, Esizozohia, because this man, Uzozo, Wazozovei, Ozozo, no ya amigo, heritage. Oh, I'm not lazy. Not be lazy man before. I'm man will be the hustle. Now, Epadomosa tracker. Hey, Halara, Epadomosa. My brother Hala. Koko, Domosa. Smile. Now Sophie Waka come out. Not talk to her daddy because he get mission. Because he knows if he rush this man, now fuck up. He no Russian. Only the smile will give this man. Take Hala. Epadomosa. The man don't get signal. Oh, we are not here. Make I tell you now, where a padomosa come they learn how to hear Bini because of this mission. And I never see anything. Let's go. See a padomosa, where for the learn how to go deep to do research. A party padomosa. How to do research to go deep and see what a padomosa I take day. None of the wash. None of the wash. None of the wash. A padomosa went to go and learn Benin. None of the wash. I know so I know a padomosa. If you know say you know his voice, say yes. If you are there, you know say you know a padomosa. A padomosa, you know his voice. You they watch me, say yes. I'm not playing one record for the man of the year. Wait for the learn Benin before you go to this mission. Hello, they are not hearing me. Now hear your voice. Now know your voice. You get going. Be you get one. You get begging ropa. You get begging. Now the power tap you get. We share. I must send the gift to go man. I'm entertaining the whole world. I must send the gift to go man. Who no me be ado. You depression. You only see it there. No beg. Let me analyze the life. Since a man know with the matter now, I will analyze. Know with the matter now. I will analyze. Know with the matter now. I will analyze our life. So I want to play the record. Now I'm gonna record. Where this woman they learn Benin. Even the boy where they talk the tea come out. That was the fear. We sang. We was there doing it. Oh, because of this mission. When I listen, let's go. When I listen.
Speak Bini, translate it English challenge. So today I'm going to be doing it with Oracle. Oracle is my second husband, in case you don't know. So this particular episode, if he cheats me, Muna let me know. So now I'm going to tell me this for Bini. I'm going to repeat it for English. So if it's too difficult for me, you can also help me on the comment section. So you're going to be asking me, and I'm going to reply. I'm going to do this.
Yeah. Il est au niveau aussi. Par exemple, une guy, il niveau Saboya Festos.
Please give me one answer.
Also, kati na mazo yukbang. Also, dinati Saboya.
God the judge.
Yeah.
Wow. That guy asked her, dinati Osabonye, or where God the judge. Oh yes, Anna. I want another one. I want another one. This another one. More than they listen, more than they learn. More than they learn. This woman. Now woman will be safe. If you want to do something, they get mission. Because if you look the age, the time we take carry this man, how many years he did now? He still hold this matter strong. How many years? He don't tell where they find this woman, but now he can't get the attention where they find. Don't tell where they do this thing, where they try to bully that woman, they do everything, you never get the attention. Now, 2026, now God say the attention, now he will get, and now they get so. Now the attention they get so. Because don't tell where they do this thing, this one never viral, the way this one go viral so. So my people, when I put you down, I go analyze and I go understand the whole trick. So now the beginning they learn, so when they listen.
Wait till be Ogbeleze.
Ogbeleze na that tell me they put money. We're brutal. Ogbeleze. Eze.
Ogbeleze.
So bring it.
Come on.
You need to reformat them.
Okay, Ogbeleze feed.
Okay. What it be Ogbeleze with Benadis?
He said that middle of school feed.
Okay. What it be?
Now outside now, yeah.
Woman are close.
Oh, can you nyegbe?
Woman want the whole body. They play.
Woman want the whole body. My beg of Taleya. Oh, dead. Oh, dead. That is how he concluded his mission. So after concluded his mission, taking this map from the other woman, Mama Titi was still calm, moving on with his life. I mean, next woman was born. The woman was so loyal and be moving us smoothly till this date where Yahweh Emila Nemeruru Osakwikiane. You get where you pursue go go turn, he will face you. You say let's buy here. You get where you go pursue goat reach, the goat go turn. He will say let's buy you. He will say more. If one you buy me, may you buy me. Now God be this way, not the bad person. Now party boys and make. So Mommy Titi, if you look you now, look the woman where you say collect ma for your hand. I bring picture me see.
Okay.
See woman where collect. See who collect ma for your hand. When I snapper without fitter. This na a padomosa without fitter. They not the see. Please, if you dey see and say hi, I want more than they answer me. If you dey see and say hi, if you are seeing her, say hi. Yeah, beg. Now this one be a padomosa. This a padomosa so now they told the story they come so. Now he collect that man for this beautiful woman hand. Beautiful lady. Onomo say, oh Baba. I beg if you know say you did there, say I love Mommy Titi. They put her there. If you know say you love this woman, say I love Mommy Titi. I want to see whether people will love the woman. I want to see. If you know you love this woman, say I love Mommy Titi. Not at the right time. If you know say you don't love her, you say I don't like Mommy Titi. Right hand there, you get your right. You get your right. If you know say you love this woman, right? I want to see her fans. Might see a padomosa fans. If you know say be a padomosa, see that say I love a padomosa. If you know say you love a padomosa, write it in comment section. Say I love a padomosa. I know they say a padomosa name. Yeah, boy. The mama love a padomosa. Well, my life, the man a fast in here. The man in Nigeria fast. Who be a France? People just they say I love Mommy. This one say she's a sweetheart. Daddy, open the word or no? Daddy, oh, what word or no? In my way, sweetheart. Even I love Mommy Titi. Be on our way, only husband. How you only husband? Okay, only a padomosa. The way she's so calm. In my way, she's so calm. Oh, I calm. I dislike a padomosa. Yeah, we have dislike a padomosa. I dislike. Imagine when you love a padomosa. If you know say you love a padomosa, write it in comment section. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I love Mommy Titi. Everybody know they love Mommy Titi. What's on? A padomosa. I'm a padomosa. What are a padomosa? A fancy, it might to why, it might disturb why. I'm not disturbing now. More than correct, yes, I love a padomosa. Una see the way this woman fine. After many years, this woman still fine like this. After many years, Mommy Titi, you still fine like this. Oh, you must say it here. Baba. That's why people want to talk about her. Please, if people want to come and talk, say request. Amen. 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 Maybe you feel with it. Maybe you feel with it. Hello.
How far now? I greet you.
Koyo.
Hello. Me wa agbenya menu de.
Where?
We wa agbenya menu de. Me wa efu api na fe ko wa rive. Wa agbe we wa avion nya me. We me laluwe ne.
We collect a straight bullet in there.
We me laluwe we ni lalogo umero.
It won't make book well.
Only metal
Because you insult not too many. You know your course, the prince, who be mommy titi, who be this. You know all of them. Wherever you are, because you are waiting to talk to you. I make it well with it talk.
Mommy 3D ni. Me very fancy, me very fancy here.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So I just surprised say you're the giver.
Now you be mommy 3D fans. What be your advice to mommy 3D for bully this woman for 15 years?
This one you say 15 years, so me not I not there away for that 15 years. So.
Okay, I bet how many years?
the one where I give me you relax.
I don't laugh. How many years they bully her? How many years?
The one we know no when the thing start for this
Bro, how many years? Tell me how many years it bully her? Tell me, just tell me please.
But the mama 3D they talk her own now. She not mention the woman name now.
Bros, you know what you say not reach 50. You start use your mouth to say you not reach 15 years. Now use your mouth talk. How many?
No, don't please wait now. I have agree.
Okay, but since you don't answer that question, wait, I'll ask you that. I'll make comment section if you answer that. I beg comment section. People where they watch us, I beg. How many years a padomosa they bully this woman? They want to talk about comment section. I beg comment section. Since you don't want to answer, people will help you answer that. Since they dodge that question, mommy 3D fans they hear they dodge question. More than help answer that. How many years a padomosa te saga this woman? They want to talk about comment section. Yeah, Rewa. Be married. They are not hearing me. Yeah, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me.
You see, I say most of us when there now, mommy 3D fans, I should still be your fans. Don't please my guy.
Wait, I want me the fair right time. I never. How many years? I know they see on the right time. I beg. How many years? A padomosa. This saga. I just not be 15 years young, but we're 15 years. I just see 15 years.
Or don't buy money. Now only one place the right now.
How many years? I'm not right time. For those of you who know how many years, where this a padomosa, not the bully this woman.
Don't please so.
Any which way?
Some say 2020, some say 2015. So say 15 years, my brother. This your followers. Me make yanji wo.
Rates.
Okay, rates. Okay.
Rates. Yeah, wait. Okay. They don't answer you now. It's always since 2012. And I wait 15 years. 15 years with me now.
Don't please. Bro, hold on now. Because you talking for their mark too, they don't know.
Okay, they don't know.
No.
We are begging.
No. Some of them never enter. Some of them you new enter. Bro, wait now. Some of them you new enter social media so.
Okay, some of them new enter social media.
Yes, now.
Okay, tell me what you want to talk. Go on.
Okay, I say this woman wey dey talk about, so I say for me, they wanna say mommy 3D collect her husband. For me, the woman will not collect her husband though, because this woman come on leave her husband for Italy, go Germany. According to the analysis, you understand?
Which year this woman go Germany?
I don't know the year. I don't know, but now what the man talk? Now what the mommy 3D husband talk?
Wait now, you don't know the year where this woman go Germany. But the year when we hear for social media, the year where Padomos take collect the man, it was 2014. Where Padomos use the man talk for no get live stream. Everybody did here. 001 live stream.
Yeah.
001 live stream. Everybody write 001. If you know you are here, write 001. 001 live stream.
Who be 02?
Okay. Now Keta see who are here. Who the man at 02 to social media now? You never know be 02.
I don't know who be 02.
Okay, no worry, they will tell you now. People will tell you be 02. She say that they are 001. Now 001 platform. Now for confess and say now 2014. Now you know this man through Ipadomosa. I will even know Ipadomosa. No get ask say why are Gana? We na ka to Ipadomosa. Allow. Very Ipadomosa kiri. So my people, I bet Mona tell this guy, this Ipadomosa fans, where they here so. When I tell her who be 002 of a Dosaba space, when I write the person reading the here, make it they know. So I may send a message, go give them for their camp. Now they hear me. I bet Mona tell her who be 002 when I write the person name here, who be 002 of a Dosaba space, so that he go fit carry the message. Waka go give them for that side. Yeah. Okay, blessed people want that camera talk to you.
You know, say someone don't they come.
Somebody come. If somebody call, they come. What did they happen for someone?
Someone don't they come now.
Ipadomosa.
Anyway.
Ipadomosa. Wato.
Anyway. I beg. Before you talk, I beg. Which platform you did so?
Don Prince.
AKA. Oh, I'm here. What we need? Yeah. You the laugh. Oh, yeah. You happy on it, Sarah.
You too funny. They make me dey laugh. Ipadomosa.
Oh, you dear. Who be 002? Oh, yeah. Daddy. Hello.
You get Ipadomosa.
Relax. Calm yourself. Not laugh. Look me. They look. Not laugh. Who be 002? Those are bad space.
If I go come back.
Oh, yeah. Why would they get?
The priest.
What's your what? A topic is there. What's your one? Larry. Are you happy with? Yata me we mo 002 those are bad space. Yata me. Larry.
Okay, well, because you did tell me now, you be old. I think na Franco.
Hey Frank, Larry. I think a community wa wane kiaro we wa mo yo kagbe abi wa mo ye leader. Wa mo yo kagbe community wa. Larry. What people na community?
Iguayame,
correct. Iguayame ni man na yo henga you chairman ogebu wani omozo.
go for bad thing. Because
in any society, anybody with Bonado on social media, he cannot rule any power. He cannot rule any vote.
My brother, must tell you one thing. You know, social media so when you will live video, when you will live video, out of 10%, 9%,
okay. Mr. Special, I greet you.
Oh, wow.
I will move. It's your wine.
What? You know?
Oh, wow.
Then
Aga. Where to the Aga?
Oh, two. Where those are bad space? Oh, two.
Can you TA?
Double.
The priest.
Can you TA?
The priest. On
I tell
02.
What?
Oh, to Mudiane now. On what we read, I don't know how to speak back. I'm going home. To
C'est pas la guanse domo. Guanso vient de moi.
Oh, yeah, no. Avec façon ni we gbe no lare. We dey cap do carry. Avec façon ni we gbe no. We no ya gbe mo.
Oh, don't be very camp when ya.
We cap me uro very yo because we have to cap me. What to cap me? What time? Where?
Campement. Essa que é campement, não é do campement.
Où est-ce?
E campé para dar mo sabe, mas eu vai
Don't so.
So,
Please, I want one question. No. Okay, for the truth of the matter, be say as this woman be wan go fight Mommy 3D for party now wetin make sense.
Ọ̀gá tó gbélubílẹ̀ làwọ̀ rẹ̀ rẹ̀ gbé my brother. Maybe no when you wear your book. Do you know what for you to take somebody husband and see the bully and general is a
Bro, that taking of bro, wait now. That taking of husband, I me never understand though. Okay, according to the man say come out, go Germany without his consent. He tell us he may never come out. The woman come out on her own. So the man not gonna get right to move on with another woman. That be wetin me never understand though, bro. Let me understand that.
Wait, special wait.
One quick correct, I want to tell her something.
No, special wait. 002 want give her straight bullet. When I look the straight bullet, 002. Why did they call me 002? You want to know why? Say you give that you get that point for your head that when you talk, say the woman leave the man or the man knowingly to join me. Now the man has decided. Okay, now since the man decide, what has wrong with those children that the man left those children for a very long time and even planning to not see them again in their life? What have those children done? Answer that question.
Okay, for me, if you think on that way, but me still get my own way to think to see talk put. But if you talk on that way, but the man he do bad. He say, for example, say he abandon the children. You understand? But what about the woman? The woman make any attempt to say, make the children.
You know, if you get caught, you not go to say he do bad for you to say. Don't they say bad? You know the meaning of bad? Bad. If you go 20 years in bad for prison, for court, if they acknowledge you bad, you can go to 20 years in prison.
Oh, to wait now.
No, you don't call bad. The way they talk bad, you can come bad for you to not go and see the children. You can do that. Remember, you are tired, very sweet and very honor, very jajajastick. Oh, we're tired.
Wait now.
Wait now. For 30 years, you are not see your children. You born in Europe. My brother, okay, Arab country no. Yeah, bueno soon.
Bro, may you wait now.
Okay. If I run today, yeah, bueno soon. I'm telling you.
No problem, but bro, may you wait now, eh? Okay.
How are they doing? And
Mama, baby.
How are they doing?
Wait now. Okay now. As the woman come up, go Germany now. You can't go declare the man, say the man don't die. When we just the man never done a good thing.
You say?
Wait, because the man talk and say the woman go declare and say he don't die. So
okay, so
according now what the man talk because nobody because me you know the house.
You get what to talk.
You get what I be one queer ask to you wait to know.
Okay, answer.
You not there this TikTok when the man sister come outside the other sister for that matter. Say the man and the woman I plan and make the woman go Germany for better life.
Okay.
When you say the man not there where the woman just carry come out, you know that this platform.
Okay, why the man can't come? Okay, I want to answer one question. Why the man can't come out the talk say the woman come out on his behalf?
Because they don't blind the man they inside bottle already.
I want to say truth is bitter. Larry, truth is bitter. Larry, why cap you? You know say people who cover that camp they defend the way. Before you defend that, now 002 you deal with here. We get many straight bullets. You see the question where you ask just now say. I tell the question again. Hello, before this guy answer you, I tell the question again. Say he declare the man. Say he go chop a duro, he declare the man, say the man don't buy.
Yes.
If not true. One, many Nigerians declare say their papa don't buy, their mama don't buy. Say chop a duro for this Europe. Two, the man where abandon her, come out, leave her, go buy another woman, abandon her. He leave the woman, the no the woman take survive. If they are led that area, the woman take survive and do for Germany. If you even to say the grandpapa and the papa and the man, they died the same day. they died the same day.
Okay.
You don't hear me. You are not hearing me.
I'm hearing you.
Listen. Doya, listen. A man who not so be another pardon most are the way you worry. Oh, but no one we see able. Boy, I went up the toilet. The man with the man. Yeah, a toilet or be boy Jamie. Oh, Benateri go. A toilet or be boy Jamie. Boy. Oh, why now? I will see you. Oh, it's you. Like, we defend. Oh, wow, we want move one heady young as an I agbalo mo ye na. I went on ya toilet. I went on toilet. And I critical content.
But you know what that content? You know what that content that they use? That's the truth. You know that content.
We're in meta we man meta na and agbalo you ya critical content. They were using this old man to create content.
Because you're not single father. You're not single father.
I not be single father.
So why you can't put this matter like this? I don't understand.
No, my sister not looking for anywhere because for me, what did the woman even do at last for partner? The woman they talk the truth for that one.
Listen, bro, fair listen. At the analyze how they come. This man now you are seeing now is now washing toilet in Germany. This is a man that is a very hardworking man. Now, the two children who he married their mother, he abandoned them. It was in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, he still doing. Can't come back again. Or 6 years, we'll see the year. Now, the old woman, when he deal with for us now, say, for 30 years, he's proud that this man have not seen those children. And the woman is proud of it. And this is the same woman who was preaching that mothers, single mothers, should be letting their own children to visit their own baby father. This was what she was preaching to the whole world. And everybody was listening to her. That or pretend manipulation in manipulated avec banire platform or nene my boys. Oh yeah. He's using those boys that is recruiting as a mineral resources to her. He doesn't know what she's doing. Now you that come out and tell the whole world that single mothers should be allowing their baby father to visit their children. Or it's a good way. We're not the proud way your husband who has stepchildren outside for the past 13 years, you never allow her or him to see those children. Is it a good thing? Is it a good thing?
For me, I not be the woman say made the man not see the children. Because according to the woman, I say if the woman they come, may not carry a wife, come follow body come.
Oh, true. Domo.
Yeah, person go do you.
Wait now, man, talk now, but that's not the ask me person go do me. Wait, man,
because what you they talk. A person go get as in you get picking with another woman for outside. Man, say for outside, man, just talk and say your first wife, you and another day again, you can't carry another woman put for house. You want go see your first wife and the children. Man, not your put the woman. You want go see your children. Then you go carry a woman when you get for us, follow body, they go. It makes sense.
No, my brother. No. Listen. You cannot make decision for me. I can even make for Don Priest. Everybody have your own decision. Now, what the man wants? If the woman say no,
what the man wants?
Yeah.
As the woman when they go say I must follow you, then they do something like that.
Yeah, because you know nowadays now, all those single father now, so they want to go to Colombia their wife or their ex mama, baby mama. They so they Colombia.
Amen. You still they take this thing matter go somehow. If the woman believe he did not trust this man because he know the way they collect this man. Now make I not trust the man. He Colombia this man in a very wrong way.
Not be only the man not trust. Maybe not trust the man, not trust the woman.
Because now this woman can his children now they don't big. They say some don't reach 18 years. This woman can have his children's number if he's ready to unite with his children. If this man is ready to unite with his children, this man can have his children's number because they are big now to receive call. Even I hear someone say they let Chakwando. If they let Chakwando, they wait for this in while they try to come. And we expect that match. That match is coming and we are expecting it. If one man play with the picky for toss say He they learn taekwondo because of this woman. Bossing. When you learn the bossing,
But the woman still get children. And the woman, mommy, this
tell those one, may they go they learn mechanical because they go repair motor for taekwondo.
Now you see some of your fans who there, yeah, some of your fans who there, eh? Now that mommy 3D song, eh? Now go be their lawyer at last.
Lawyer.
Yes.
Lawyer.
Yes.
Lawyer.
Yes, of course.
Different type of lawyer. All those charger bill lawyer dey.
But a lawyer, boy, so
Chris really talk and say Toto when you dey suck now say salt too much. She really talk and I now believe. Say salt too much for the Toto.
Wait till the priest talk.
You say Toto when you dey carry now when they suck You say salt too much.
No manner.
They worry and so the salt too much.
Okay.
They worry.
You don't confirm her. You don't confirm her, abi?
Confirm.
Confirm her. Oh, Estana wa gear. Larry, who do gear? Bet you do contribute.
Èmi ni gọ́ọ̀sì nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó kù tán ọjà bẹ́ẹ̀ gé. Ọ̀wé òwe nínú wọ́ọ̀dù ayé lọ́ọ̀yà oge comment section lọ́ọ̀yà oge ìwì ya. Ọ̀dọ̀ Dọ̀mọ̀dọ̀ ṣé ìdù ayé lọ́ọ̀yà oge yẹn? Bros, who go come be your lawyer? Na the children.
Me?
Me?
No, they should not be my lawyer. I say I mean they tell us some of people when they watch this live stream now. Their mommy 3D son will come be their lawyer at last. Not be saying an online lawyer, normal lawyer.
What of you? You go still be your children lawyer now.
If it's possible. If it's possible.
You're the put out to yourself, not the put out to another person.
Put out to you.
Let's go to the.
It's possible.
Truth is bitter.
I dey laugh you.
Listen, let's go to where we are going. The truth have to be said. Where I came to this life today is to come and advise Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D, this is
no, that we advise. No, you don't advise.
Mommy 3D, Larry, you take Wekatorine because they get advice.
You dey.
Why distracting Wekatorine? Larry, Tamia we move to Tamia we can't do we move to Tamia, Dede, Larry. Et pardon moi ça, il m'a touré. Et mais non pas m'a touré. Et pardon moi ça. Ou bien il different de là. On stress né, et vous me gossez.
Et pas une mewa miewo. O yana nye 40 gwe. You understand? We ya mio ko no ka bie no iwie.
Sister, speak English, everybody carry on.
Okay, you know if you say you want to go see your children, may your first wife or the second wife, may you come marry, come follow you go. You know they right. You understand? Now your duty to go see your children. Not be anybody go decide for you, say, see what you do with your children, see what you know do your children. If you look that man way, something is wrong with that man, not be clear eye. Because clear eye man, they're not for you abandon your own blood for 13 years.
God bless you. My sister, I could tell you now, I came here to advise this woman, Mommy Titi. Mommy Titi, this video where they do this is all for you. And yeah, I take one, I'm a comedian. But you go pick sense inside the video. My own video, I dey do in a comedy way, but if you not pick sense inside, you are your own. You are your own. You see this man who rejected your children. For the speak, wetin him wife talk, the one we put for us. For this talk where he talk say, now he let this man not see your children for 30 years. More plan, make the whole world see him before I will declare what I want to declare. My plan for now, I dey do this with evidence. My plan for now. When the woman talk am, say for 13 years, you know, allow this man see his stepchildren. Now they hear me so, please everybody, now they are not power tapping. Hey, they are not power tapping, no gift, nothing. My fans, well, they already got the end man. When they support this my platform. If you dey enjoy what I'm doing, support this platform. I know they stress you, but just use your mind. Use your mind. If you dey enjoy me, say you enjoy my topic, support the platform with everything. Please, let's go. Now, yeah, let's go. Man, bring where this woman for talker. Say for 13 years, you know, Allah, this man see the children. Let's go. I'm not listening. I know say yesterday, people who did me yesterday, they would all Don't fail here. Una listen well for talker.
Now what you dey raise? Don't be mad woman, na prick I thief. I'm not bad person. I for not see fight, I for still run. Because there is a parable that say, he who fights and run away lives to fight another day. What if to say I can't stay? They go here and pick because that picking a very useless picking over. Then it's as wayward as that girl we carry belle for Italy that day.
Everybody power.
I can say show. Picking which power I get to take fight picking and mama. If not be abortion, the picking supposed to not born. Now say why?
One of the list, I don't want the plan they come. I want me to read that if I will stop her. One of the list, the way they talk about the woman, say the woman, it does say the woman picking, not do abortion if I don't born now. It talk all of them. One of the listing. Our tap and send us gift, share the live stream. Let's go. If you never follow us, connect with us. Before we finish us, I will come connect with people. Please connect with us. If you never connect with this place, tap your follow button and connect with us. Let's go.
Picking, which power I get to take fight picking and mama? If not be abortion, the picking supposed to not born. Now say, why? Now say I don't fit to, even if say no be say me and the bad get appointment. It will make me come up for my place where I for sit down. I for no still stand, fight woman where I collect it prick when nobody move on.
But the year.
I for not try am. What for? Why? The next second they hear that they say now mad that they fight for. Who be this man? My husband. Who be the man to the other woman husband? The man when they fuck up before. Don't go fit oh. Don't go fit. Yes, so my brother self-love. I thief am. And who I thief am from thief? The one where you there with now. It's two thief from person. Me come thief, you ain't come thief. Everyone of us come be thief. I don't know why she no gree move on. She's constantly calling me husband snatcher, husband snatcher. It pain you say I snatch him. So stop telling people I know they fight them because of the man. If not because of the man, I know you before. If not because of the man, I know you before. Have I met you? That day was the first day in my life where they see you. So probably, according to you, say you don't see me 3 times, it's normal for you to see person and the person not to see you. Yes or no? True or false, my people? It's normal for you to see person and the person not to see you. According to you. So, I'm not going to feel carry myself down. My husband will be so disappointed. I'm going to come marry man, they beat the former picking. Does it make sense? It don't make sense. It don't make sense. I said, sure. I said, sure. Don't fight me. At a point, saying, you know, say this life, we get God and devil for inside our mind. Am I right? I won't. They call me a mute.
They don't say that they call oh. Thank you. They are blocking my way. Thank
so, you don't say this our life,
They want spoil.
Here and God, here and devil. At a point, my mind was now telling me, this one they record you. Before you know, you're going to tell people say you the wrong.
Thank you. Best way to say this.
So I come.
When I say I love TikTok, when I say I love TikTok, my people. When I say I love TikTok, Yare oh yamaga we video fu yare wa bisizi ya. Yare I tell you say don't send all those things call your star. Hey yare. Yare oh yare. I wish you all like but that I love TikTok. More like that I love TikTok. Yare. Are we still on live? Yare. More than that, I wrote it talk. Yare. Why I send the gift to you? I will see. Why I send the gift to you? Does here I drop a video now? They don't want me to do finish. Yeah, God. God pass all these people. What's that saying? What's that saying? Are we still on live?
Woman, boss. Because she see me say I enter that car, my spirit was not telling me say, this woman a crazy woman if you go party where I should be say one go fight. I say, if I don't remove this car for a year, this woman fit come break this car. Tiki say, na pikin papa car. So even if it's spoiler,
I love TikTok.
Government
share,
don't go see a fight.
Yare.
Say na pikin mama. So I needed to remove that car from that particular place. Yes. You feel call her fear, not be fear. Because even if say we'll go court, my husband must have spent money. Because she don't get nothing to offer. Talk more of say me you go do theory, may you pass exam. Talk more of me you know how much be the worth of car pass. I mean motor pass. Go price of Volkswagen side mirror, how much it be? It's not cheap, not be your month's ticket money. So I needed to prevent because the distance is far. Now I sit according to her. Now I reach up there. So she can easily enter bus or train go us. But I will have to drive distance. I carry my car, come over that place. Go keep her somewhere where she not go know the car. Then I now come back to the event. Because for her mind, me don't go. Oswald. If you not be mumu, now let me call the party. When me say now only you go, come tell me say I dey run, I can't leave party for who? Party will not be only me come. So I can't come back. Once I dey come back, I me say the judge give people, because of me, the man not the ask of the children. The children not do this one. The children don't do this one. The children not do this one. The children not do that one. I say, this woman sit there here. They narrate prick when you not prick again. Cause the shame. So as I walk past, he come tell me say, come now, I shall not understand. If you want beat me, person need to hold you. If I know they don't tell you that and say, if I know they hold you, if you want fight, when you tell leave war, you not go no. Oswald, you have every chance to leave a pass focus on daughter, your rope pass on that your pit. You don't know how to fight. You start they say, if I leave me, mama, you want like I don't sound they look like picking when they fight, like
You get the area where I see me talk.
If that's so old age, I don't want to reach this kind of old age. What are they doing here?
All the power tap, thank you.
Official Andy, my dear, thank you, good morning. I said, that's all they do for you.
Well, I follow my top gifters. Please,
one man will be a very matured man.
Person will give me money because I'm not for
I beg, you will leave this woman, you will leave this woman, but no answer. Now that the man say, shoot, let me ask her what I do, amo. Now the S, now married, still
you, Mama Mary.
Now the man come talk about that, say, here I move on, I beneath the talker. He said, they not go eat, they not go let who eat, get peace. Now beneath the speaker. They not go eat, they not go let who eat, get peace. Now class, they leave and make it they cry. As the pikin they talk, now say you are a bastard like this, so. You know the shame say at your age, you don't get papa.
Now this, now because of here, now I'm on a listing. Now this area, we talk say for 13 years. He no agree make this man see these children. Now that area they try to tell that guy just now. Before I bring her down. So when I listen to this area.
Who eats get peace. Now class make they leave and make it they cry. As the pikin they talk, now say you are a bastard like this. So you know they shame say at your age you don't get papa. I tell them. I don't know why mama know they talk that part. That was when I now go inside. Now this as the pikin they talk, now say you be bastard like this. Where you don't get pikin. So you want to open your mouth to insult me because your mother don't pass the microphone give you. So you are a bastard. As far as I'm concerned. Big one. You they get. So the woman lied too much. Oh. Okay, this woman, me, I will running. If I not okay, me will play if I not the video. But you hear say now if I not the evil talk out. If I not the one second they lie because of I don't bath. Say I came out of that party just to give a bar money. So because of say one idiot, call the fool herself. I not can't go waiting make me come inside party. I not can't go collecting money. So the point of me collecting the money now beside the road. Okay, fine, it's good I run. I agree. That pikin go cry her life where she reach. Do you know the funniest part? The part where sweets me. Now say according to her. Now, when the children reach 18 years, in go post them, make their papa see them. First, when their papa want to see the children for 13 years, now fight to say the pikin want fight.
Now, this area, I want to hear, it's a first time where this man want to see children for 13 years. And this woman, they happy, they laugh, they get joy. Epadomos are they get joy. They happy, say, for 13 years, he no agree, make this man see the children. He's very happy because she know what she's doing. She dey count her every year, they follow her. You know, we say this one boss now. For count this year, for be 14 years now. Now, because he boss for social media, now make her stop for here for 13 years. Maybe this year now, by God's grace, with all this saga, maybe this man can see the children. Now make her quick break the news. See, for good 13 years, he no agree, make this man see the children. But she will be coming out of social media, be telling the rest single mother, may they let their children, they see their father. Not be bad thing be talked before, but why are you not practicing it? Why are you not practicing it? See where I get problem with her. So for Mommy Titi, the advice I see they give you, that I see they tell you. You see this man, if you say, you know what, can see your children, leave and make it they go. No man now again. Leave this man, make it yekolo. Tell your children that this man, in your old tradition, you get what they call juju. They use juju for this man. This man, he doesn't know what he's doing. For now, you should concentrate on your life. In future, maybe if this man not get himself back, maybe we'll come and be begging you people. Is your right for you to forgive him? Is your right for you not to forgive him? Are you people hearing me? If you are hearing me, say yes. I want to talk to my people. If you are hearing me, say yes. If you know the hear what you are the top, please don't the right yes or comment section. Please everybody power tap and follow the live stream. If you are hearing, say yes. Power tap and follow the live stream. Ogo Bazia. Let's say the way it be. Oh, to Oguana. Let's say the way it be. He blog and like carry and they not carry. But when I try make this woman hear this area. Mommy Titi, your mission now. You see those children where God give you. Try your best. Make them somebody for life. There's a battle in front. Forget all this social media rant all of us they do now. It never finish here. It never finish here. I'm telling you, I'm a spiritual man. Mommy Titi, Mogwan. It never finish for this social media. There's still a battle ahead the front. Because this woman, whether they call Epadomosa, he has a mission. He has a mission. The highest mission is life. Now you is a battle. You're like, man, we married 2 wives. We be saying that they drag for us, they fight for us. You know now one wife he get. Now one wife the man married now, but the man be like, married 2 wives. Because why they be like that is because of Epadomosa. Epadomosa is like he's trying to use it to look like say now this Mommy Titi they call the drag for man. That is a lie. Mommy Titi is not dragging for man. Mommy Titi just need the man, the children the man should be seeing his children so that maybe the children still get fatherly love for the man. Since Mommy Titi, I say Mommy Titi Epadomosa stand and spoil this man for the old Benin people hand, say, you know, agree, make this man see children. And the man never come out and talk about this issue. Wait till we see, make the man come and come do, and to put pikin for back, go they wash toilet. So this man, they usually tell us, say, is a bondage, Epadomosa, Okbalinyene. Now, wait till this man, they tell the whole world now with style. Who gets sense, may know. Say, this woman, Okbalomene, you give me Kennedy, Wahala, Agbename. Even this man need help. Even this man need help. But for now, the help we need, based on spiritual reign, he go pretend say no need help. But for me, the man needs spiritual help. For you to abandon your first children. You get years where you verse rich, you quick go hold them. These are my children. Very, very important. That's what it be. That is why anywhere my children did now, I dey use and make parable anywhere they did. The one where I know we be see. I know they use na play oh. I know they use na play oh. No matter anything oh. Oh yes, I'm a man of any area. You guess how they see me every time. When I come to say Don Prince, you know say you just deal with Oyesa. We know they see you again oh. And they use to tell you now, in case now they watch my video. I love my children. I love them. Now one or two things. Now they make her the fire a little bit. But very soon, everything will conquer. More too. Ogwog bazia. Ogwog bazia. Because this one and the sister, it did many people body. Forget say when they talk about this man. It did many people body oh. Truth is bitter oh. It did many people body. So women they say their man will want to consider the man. The woman will say la la ula wa. He will stand put. Gele gele. He will deprive the child to not see his father. He will feel say because of what his papa doing, they use and suffer papa back. No, you are suffering this child. Because of what your the man do you now, we know the man treat you bad. But most still talking, you are depriving the child rights. There's a right who said a child supposed to recognize his father. There's a right who said a child supposed to recognize his father. But based on say what you call the apple for Europe, people they take upon themselves to do so many things. That is why this man, with the user and make example for all those kind of men, when they do all these things, there's a repercussion for it. Thank you, Queen Stella. There's a repercussion for it. You may be doing it now, they sweet you. But let me tell all the men where they do all these things, there's a repercussion for it. Even the women where they do it, there's a repercussion for it. I must tell you now, no matter the grievances, we could not carry and go the children's side. We could not they use the children, they set trap against the fortune of the man or the woman. It not make sense. I know say this area, man no go hear me. I know say this area, you people will not hear me. They are not hearing me. I know say no go hear. So Mommy Titi, the best education, the best life, give it to tell your children because you already have a mission in front. Nobody will tell you this. Me, O2, will tell you. Give those children the best education. Give them what they want. The one way say one let bossy. Make sure say let that bossy. Because that one get mission. Not deprive them for not learning bossing. Because that one, you need your happiness. When you get a day, you have big babu dao. So, Mommy Titi, that one we want learn bossy. I beg. Your boss say na this man, you go take start that bossy. Try to come. You dey hear me so? So I beg. No we want bossy. I beg. No tell me say you no gree me let bossy you. Mona share this advice. Go give her o. Mona not tell me say this advice not she handle. Because there's a match in front. They are not hearing me. Ebe Stella, Wima Gwawato. Go yo. Hello. Hello. Ebe Stella. PP Queen, I greet you. Ebe Stella. She's not there. I drop her. Things they play oh. Things they play oh. This advice, I'm not share and go give that woman me. You wanna tell me say this advice she not here oh. Like yeah. Delta Queen, oh yeah. I greet you.
Good evening, everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
They are not talking. They are not hearing me. They are not talking. Hello. Delta Queen, talk to us now, please.
Hello, you dey hear me now?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening. Everybody's greeting you.
Oh, too for a reason.
Yeah, what? Thank you.
My advice to Mommy 3D be say, Mommy 3D, I dey see all your children. I see say you born boy, you born girl. You don't know where they're going tomorrow. You understand? Denying your father, your husband from seeing the previous children when he get before you, they very bad though. Oh, they look things they do.
Hello, who are you giving advice? Who are you giving advice to?
Nah, Mommy 3D.
Who is Mommy 3D? Pardon, sir.
Pardon, sir, yes.
You say it well, hey dear. Say it well, say pardon, sir. Say it well.
Pardon, sir, now they give advice.
Okay, give her advice.
I dey give her advice because even calling that child for her presence say you will be bastard. Which bastard? You understand?
Yeah.
That day for party, they call the pikin say you will be bastard.
Everybody, let's go.
How can you say the child na bastard? Wetin the child? How the child take concern your problem with the mama with the papa? How he take concern her? Huh? It no make sense.
Okay. What is your advice to her? What is your advice to her?
Everybody for this media know say that Mommy Titi, she even if she don't still give you some gbasgbos, but wetin you dey tell her, the attack wey you dey give her, na plenty pass. They very bad. Make you just the.
What is your advice to her? What is your advice to her?
My advice for Epadomosa.
You say my advice to Epadomosa. They talk am well.
My advice to Epadomosa be say, make she not forget say she too she get man, she get woman for her own children, and she not know where those children go land tomorrow. How they go land for husband house. You understand? Make it they look things they do. Denying that husband from seeing those children, they very, very bad because the children not be children tell the husband say make it waka, the can waka we be say waka, or the waka we be say mama waka. That thing when they do so, they very bad. Make she just put those quarrel, make she put those quarrel aside. Make it try. Recognize, make connect the father, the husband with the children together. You know me whether with the wife they get misunderstanding.
Thank you. Wesley. Thank you. We hear your advice. No bring other person come. Anybody who want advice, Mommy Titi or the other one, everybody say your request. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, bro.
Pardon, sir.
Where?
Good afternoon. Wetin me more talk be say I not to get many things to talk o. I don't know wetin make.
Who you want advice? Who you want advice? Is it Pardon Mosa or Mommy Titi?
I wan very advise Mommy Titi before I advise Pardon Mosa.
Okay.
So my advice go to Mommy Titi. I know say she dey try to say make those children get father for their life. Just but for me, since the man say no come see the children, just assume me say the man enemy don die because people wey dey this life, some people no get father, they no get.
You know when the person first talk say they don't first use the man chop aduro say it already go. Which one? That one advice wants to come again.
No,
talk another advice. They don't already use that your advice. That advice wey they talk, they don't already use am. Because person very allegedly youngster say, I don't know when I true. Say the woman don't first use her chop aduro say this man don't go allegedly. So you know the advice the woman they may go do another allegedly again.
No, I not say may do allegedly. I say may take her like that. She they get me so. May reason like that say the man don't die for real life. As in, people they live without.
Let's say.
Just let the children.
Where say oh? Where say? Where say oh? Where say? My honor oh. Where say? Where say? Oh, Mommy Titi one. I want to tell her. Be not bad, or they worry. And I know what. They want to pay. They want to. Say me you talk say this man don't go. The place where they want to see human being. They want to get well. Mama. Hello. Hey, Morena. Hello. Hello. Yeah, oh. I'm a verse. You have verse in my way. Iguala verse. I will see a verse. Be a one. I think iguala verse. Iguala verse na. Mogwala verse. Mogwala verse. I'm a iguala verse. So, Mommy Titi in yeta. I'm still saying what I'm saying. Your children, the contract about you now is for your children. Make sure say their dream comes true. Make sure say their dream comes true. Bet your bets. Give them the best life. Don't worry. The God of heaven is your strength. Hello, Mommy Titi, you are not hearing me. Hello, Mommy Titi, you are not hearing me. So no boo boo here. So no boo boo here. Ayo jumudia obenade. Agwale money there don't mota. The woman na see the brainwasher. Obe okona. No man memory na wa ton okay ton sin. O wa ton. O wa ton. So my people, and so we see. So if you know you are happy about the harvest, say hi. I want to see whether people are happy about the harvest, so I give the one. If you know you are not happy, say no.
First time when social media I want to see the pikin.
If you know you are happy, say hi.
That pikin go cry her life when she reach. Do you know the
if
funny?
If you know you are not happy about the harvest, say no. High service. Anybody will say hi, the hi, that will win. If you say no, if I say the no that many parts, the no that will win. If you know say you are the advice why I give Mommy Titi for this video, you like her, say hi. Nigga so say to abeg let Rita talk. Ima we na go on. Ima we na Rita go on. Rita we not that me here we erinya wone. I want not me here erinya wone. Awa ya cheke 1960 aduro no honae. We are me wa we okbena ya wo agbon. Even when you go over replacement. Any might be replacement okay. Any go replacement. Only return when you are man. This is what I said. So now thank you, people. God bless you. So my people, before we
when she kill herself, you not go blame the first wife. Say okay, when she move on, then we give Mokonala Jadwa Gena.
Ọmọdún ọlọ́ra oko ya mákẹ́ àmì ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀. Your first
daughter, I swear one
man must collect the people. Man must collect your social media now. I believe that he believe the way this woman wear it. But imam me who can azeme
that woman. Just tell me what that woman do now. Just tell me what that great woman do now. Tell me what that great woman do. No gbẹ o agbon. O ka celebrate we are beno. Iyan le beno. Nene bon me we ya agbale wona. O ka agbon iyan le beno. Nene bon me we ya agbale wona. We ya agbale wona nene bon me. E bon me ni amunu ni we ya agbale wona.
Awa bijuere yin.
Wa to relele ya kian. Mon amigo, awe aba.
You cannot speak English. Okay, let's do this saga with English. Hello. Why are you so menace? I don't hear Bini anymore.
You are a very big fool.
Hello, I don't hear Bini anymore. Let's do it with English. If really you want to speak English, let's do saga
useless man. Useless boy,
let me tell you something.
Boy.
You know why you are a castrated cow? Or why you are a castrated cow? Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, Larry.
He didn't know
you know that in this life, your mother not supposed to give birth to you.
I go bring all our pictures. That your ex-woman, so as in that your wife, as the way they shout like goat or this way. My car friend there, yeah, have your picture of girl out there. Yeah, because all go to Agbe.
When they do up, they say you short.
Very useless boy.
Mona, find the picture please send for me before you run. You don't ready to screenshot? Please send it for me. Send the picture for me.
Screenshot her. Let her go viral. Put my page, join her. Put this page, join her. Put this page, join her.
You want to go viral now? I regret that you want to go viral for my platform. You want to go viral for here? You want to go viral for here? You want to go viral for this platform? Nobody will know you. Anyway, the population anyway. I will not give you that population, yo. It can't pay. It might come your picture. Many people can't know you. Many people can't know you. I will give you that population you are looking for. Look at you coming to support injustice, coming to support Esioa, coming to support Okonewewe, coming to support Okonozua Epadamasa. Bijwere. Lare, nyawe. Wame bogbeme. Nyawe. Mona swear for me. Nyawe. Want to go viral? What? It's where Baba.
One go work with more with family for long time.
Ayaro. Man of Baba, the camera when making up.
Okay, I will not funny below.
The camera when making up.
I'm a run
long time.
On a jet destiny of Cassava. Don't tell. They follow you well now.
Sato one of Napoli.
Saturday of Napoli.
Sato, we are talking like boy not but Sato my book better. Sato, I bet me swear for that boy just now. We are talking like remember book with any
Abani kede awo she e bi si pe mara na okun mi na. Oni don ya fi kun ebo meme.
Afi won maybe.
Iyan na wo mi ya fi kun me ye na obo ye. Iyan na.
They say they chop Christmas medicine.
Ah, okun mi na. Every money ya fi kun na. Pe mara na.
No one accept it.
Ose wa wo she.
Ele me wa accept. To me que a wa accept.
Wa wo she na ta.
To me que ya ni accept. Me wa accept we ko si wa mo yan la do. O me to bugbe baba. O me ku wa ka de ye ko.
We ma me bo ti talk na.
My brother. Ya bugbe. O me wa accept.
Mo na gba okoto ohun yan na.
Because avec fancy même pour. Rien non même ouais. Rien non même.
Iya ni meme noro are, iya wa no gba ni ha bi ti toko ma. Iya compose gbe yan. Eni meme noro we.
Where say Sato? Where see? Sato, owe gbere. Sato gbe me. Sato gbe me. Owe gbere.
Who have you who? Me ekedo na have you who no gbe wa gbon. You start the na bu wa we Don Prince no ma mi agbore na. Who am I be nu gbe be. Who this year. Where ya gba ni na. Where ni na ye. Ogun we mi no yo. Where win na.
Ogun we mi no ya bi o. Ogun we ga.
Ogun we win na e. Ogun we mi no e fo ni a. Ogun we fo ni a.
Ne no problem ni amu where ya gba ni.
Ogun we bi o eni we mi no eni. E giro ade iro no me bi ni afio be nu.
Where ya gba ni win na. Uga gogo.
We win na we.
Iya de be meno, iya de be meno. Mena we ya le we gogo we a. E we dana iya ye de be ne. Okay, hopefully we okay. Why ya gba ni win na. O ma gba ni win na. Wa to ge here.
Oh we
wa to ge here mo na we na me ma gba ni win na.
E we ga du we.
We no me win na we a na.
Ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀kẹ́
when no me wuna wa o
I was so very happy when I was so happy. I call people because of this. Mommy with Danny, that useless boy with the difference. He had a bit there. When I had a way wait down where he was one. Eh? Then they bought
Tato, they mute and go. Sato, where for they take medicine for Christmas?
You know what? I do phone. That phone never move in. We could have you kuna. We okay, no problem. I know where they carry medicine now.
I don't know. I don't know.
You carry face cap for head for 21st century. You carry this guy for face cap also. You go down. Very dirty human being where they one village. Italy, they suffer for Italy there. Suffer now your portion in Jesus' name. When they don't please. Nene problem
Chris,
go find work.
Chris,
go find work.
Why you support this man?
Open your camera now.
My brother, I support him because of the woman they fight for truth. The woman they fight for justice. They fight for men where the women change for Europe.
Wait.
You know, see, wait.
Don't please. It was support him.
Punish your head.
It was support him.
May you open your camera. Open your camera.
A camera.
No, maybe open your camera.
Go see my page. Don't please.
For darkness. Open your camera.
My page there.
May you open your camera. Why did they support this? Open your camera. If your body full, open your camera.
Me not add my page. That way. I not put am for fake account. Carry the picture, put my page.
If your body full, may you open your camera. If your body full, open your camera.
Now, we send a request.
See your teeth.
Thank you.
See your teeth.
Diva. God bless
See
you.
your teeth.
No, Chris, just bring your memory down. I know so you know where. Fair wait. You where now wait. Fair wait. Not be so.
Baba, Daviome. It take one respect you wear, but since that time when you started to saw this woman and the husband, I can't lose my respect for you. When they give you document, I was so happy. I was so happy with you. In Yade Benue, me who was Zua, Weti Yawuna. I was so happy.
Yeah, I know what that. We not putting know what that. It's not like keep quiet.
It's just a very fair nowhere. Uma body no dey France in here. That small boy
English.
don't preach in Yade Benin.
Hello, they are not Yari Benin.
In Yade Benin in France. I was so happy. My man way a bomb man. Later when I find out my investigation, me ya we a bomb man. En Yade no. A bomb man Yade no. Ukun wen for.
Okay, wait. No, Frank and BCC.
Tell us.
Wait, you get what you talk yourself. You say they support this woman because the woman, thank you, Diva. God bless you. Men have already follow Diva. You want to gift to me.
A gift to okay. Would they give to when I told you? When I insulted the most virtuous woman in Europe, the woman which everybody respected. A woman with dignity, woman with quality.
Wait,
which woman be quality?
This woman they call quality. For your men, your family
useless boy. Very useless boy. Now small boy, don't be for nothing. What kind of small boy?
All your camera most you they talk.
You grow once, get years. Work my been a boy. Daviome, if you want to get peace,
Before this woman tell us what make you the supporter, what did they do?
Okay, make I tell you,
yeah.
Fine. You na person I be the respect before, but since you start to beat this woman.
I'm not begging for respect, the respect of visual. Go on, say go on. Respect of visual. Go on.
You know well as a man where there are some things where women do for this Europe where we say it don't make sense. Fine. This woman come out, if they address women, say wanna change on a bad behavior, change so that marriage go to sweet.
Okay, which bad behavior say me for change?
For Europe, small quarter go there, police go involved or call police man.
Which bad behavior say me for change?
As well. Damn you.
Which bad behavior?
Damn you. Damn you. Do kun phone ya view. Damn you. Been a bon. Damn you. The thing when I talk say for today go. Let today be the first and last. You should bring this woman picture or this woman topic or the husband at on this TikTok. If not. I have a video when I tell friend your wife, he have here and he have been a boy. You know because
you see the video, the video when you say different now. If you don't bring the evil, the
evil when they cover for this social media,
not talking.
If I say bring this page, screen record this page, put my picture where one answer guy.
You know fear is make for this woman. This woman brainwash you. You are under the street. You are under the committed atrocity. The woman brainwash you by supporting you people that you is supporting the men so that men women for the accept.
Amen.
No. Say what they support that, you know they do one. You are under the spirit of brainwashing. You are under the spirit of brainwashing. This woman brainwashing. When I feel to work, now, bet to okay,
my brother.
Okay. Let me tell you why me the vessel. Let me tell you why me the vessel. You don't talk your one.
Okay.
Okay, one. May you still look why me the vessel. Whether it makes sense. So one. This woman came out to social media. He started supporting men that the single mothers should be accepting. Diva ya mugie. Diva me we ate muna. We are mune the mistake now. Diva.
Well, because she now as a diva na nice woman. Now as a nice woman because she knows say me they talk the truth. You understand? I'm standing for the truth. Me not dey against all those men where they beat women, all those men where they treat women bad. Me I they insult them. But what did that woman they talk? It they stand for the right
the woman
truth.
not dey practice what
You know
she
me say
dey do.
all
She
the
dey
women
deceive
na
all of
wicked.
una.
Good one.
She know dey practice what she dey do. This your husband
Well,
now,
okay.
that man will be bush pig. That man so, that big bush pig where I break your mind just now. Do you know that man for 13 years he never see his children?
My brother.
For 13 years.
13 years.
He never see his children where born.
That
With the supporter.
that if that woman they listen to me, if that man not survive now, I would say the time with that first wife pursue that man, I would say that man not survive. The man they craze for streets. This is just woman for not the. Can they say husband? This woman help the man stands to make sure say the man get his life back. I would say that man they street they suffer. You believe say that mommy Titi no can agbo. You believe say that one go come back and say
You
one for the
no
drag,
can
say, you live pikin for 13 years. You live pikin for 13 years. You not get say you not be man.
He's working at Bell.
Well,
He's working at Bell. When mommy Titi
because the woman stand as a woman to make sure say the man life better. As in that first wife don't destroy that man, but a good woman go build the husband to make sure the husband dey on top. Now the man dey on top. Now the first wife come back on the talk say she live for 13 years. You husband snatcher. When
the toilet.
woman dey gboto. Woman dey gboto. Do not know say if that man they craze for Europe now say that man not survive for that. All those that first wife born, if this man not survive, if this man not survive, this woman will come back on the fight put. Okay, how can a matured woman went to party? He went to party to go and be fighting husband snatcher. You know say that woman is coming back to that man because the man life is 100% better.
Mama Titi don't marry.
Shut up! Not be by marriage.
When mess up,
not be by marriage. Not be by marriage. Not be by marriage. Egbe man here for that marriage. He just want to come back to this man.
It's because of the children. It was the children, the man they say the children. The woman if you not say that woman, if you not say the
let the children go and fight for their life. Okay. If the man died, those children
I make you not know your family. When the first time you say you don't know your papa, you don't know your mama.
Nene children who are BSF for the Europe. Which one is better for you? All the children they born for Europe. Bring one come out where don't become billionaire. Hey, children. Bring one come out where don't become billionaire for the people that they born for the Europe. Bring one come out. Our children.
You know, see all these children. You know why? Why you never see billionaire? Because Nigeria, see, Larry, Larry, we have a coin there. Coin there. Also.